Welcome to Pacific International and Asian Group Distributor. You can easily place an order through our system for shipping anything. Here are the step-by-step instructions. For logging in, open your browser, search for asiangroupdistributor.org. Click on Login button. Enter your email address and password. Click Login. For two-factor verification, open your Google Authenticator app. Enter 6-digit code into the box provided. For placing a new order after accessing the dashboard, click on Cargo. Click on New Order. Select your order type from the 4 options available. Enter sender and receiver information accurately. Provide a detailed product description and quantity. If you have any special requirements, write them in the order note box. Click on Request Order. Congratulations, you have successfully placed an order in our system. Special instructions for different types of goods. For Bangladesh goods, choose the delivery condition and address. Add the delivery charge according to weight. Upload a file containing product details. Write down the product list in the product description box. Indicate the goods value. Note that if the value of goods exceeds 300 euros, don't hesitate to contact our customer care. For international goods, mention the box size in centimeters. Add product description and weight. Click on Request Order. After placing the order, you can view your order in your order list once your order is placed successfully. After we upload the label, you will see the label and tracking information in your order list. For any reason, you are always welcome to communicate with us. Thank you for using our service.